So if you don't know, now you know. I love the YoloBox Extreme. I use it every day, but there's a few firmware updates that would really help my workflow. So let's talk about that. Welcome back to We Shoot Films. And like I said, let's just get to it. This is my firmware update wish list for the YoloBox Extreme. If you're a constant person on this channel, you know that I rep YoloLiv products crazy. Right now, I'm being recorded with the S3. I have the other S3 and the S7 up here right now. And I'm also recording on the YoloBox Extreme right now also. So basically, I use this every day. You know what I mean? But there's a few updates, like I said, man, that I love for them to consider. I've told them about a few of them maybe, and some of them I might not have, but I also want to talk about a few good updates that I've seen them do that helped me out and that I appreciate personally. So let's get into it. So here we go, y'all. Number one, I would love for the YoloBox Extreme to be able to remember my camera settings, because every time I turn off the YoloBox Extreme, turn it back on, it defaults back to HD, 60 frames per second. And I don't like that. I always am using 4K, 30 frames, 4K. That's what I usually record at. But it defaults to it all the time. So every day I got to go back. I got to do this. Camera settings. Boom. Come over here. Resolution. It's there now because I'm recording. But usually it's set to 1920 by 1080. And I don't want that. So yeah, I would want them to do a firmware update so that it remembers my resolution. That would be great. Also, I would love to know the resolution that my HDMI is at. It's something. I don't see where I can know if it's 4K, 1080. I don't know what it's doing. And I'm talking about specifically for using the YoloCam S7. I would like to know, what resolution I'm at. That would be dope. So number two, when I'm going live and I'm on social media and the messages are coming in, man, I love that the YoloBox Extreme allows you to read and highlight your messages from social media. I love that. But if you're not paying attention, you can kind of lose track if somebody leaves you a new message. I would love for an alert or a tone or something to let you know, hey, you got a new message. That would be a great firmware update. Number three, and this one is a big one for me also, along with the resolution one, but this one's a big one for me. We can create some amazing scenes. We can customize these scenes, make them all crazy and dope and looking nice, but we can't separately record them. We can't source record them. I want to be able to source record my customized scenes. You know what I'm saying? So if I create one, I should be able to record, but I can't. If you see right here, select record sources, it's only going to allow me program HDMIs or the USB-Cs. That's it. USB or USB-C. That's it. So if I create a dope scene, I can't, record it independently. I got to make sure I choose it so that the program records it so I can grab it from there. If you can create somehow for us to be able to still independently record any scene where we create, man, that would be dope. Even if it's only at 1920 by 1080 if we had to. I don't know. Whatever you got to do. But I would really appreciate that because it could be used for so much more than just podcasting, live streaming. We can really create some stuff, for posts that you have more control over, But it's just a thought, but I think it's a good one. So let me know what you think, YoloLiv. So that's about it. Nothing crazy, but I think it can really help our workflow be a little faster. It'd be the small things that really make a difference. You know what I mean? Now, I did see some updates that I did like. Now, the YoloLiv Compose app, they added the HSL settings, which is dope. So it gives you more control over your colors and all of that. So that's pretty dope. Now, what they don't have is log format. And on the Extreme, you can actually have your S3 in a log format, which I use all the time. And I want them to create log for the S7 also. They haven't. It's only for the S3. Let me show you. If we go here, you go to camera settings, and you go right there. You see on the first page, if you click on that, you see it right there. Log. That's it, but it's not for the S7. It's just not there. And it's not in the Compose app either, so I don't know. But on the Extreme, if you got the Extreme, you can shoot in log on the S3. That's dope. Also, another nice little update that I like that I saw, and this is not on the S3s, this is only for the S7. If you have an S7, they have, all right, and you go to your focus settings. Now we have all the regular focus. Right now this is on autofocus continuous, okay? Now, before it would just be this box, but now you can control the box more. Now, if you go here to customize, you can hit large, you can hit medium, small. All right, we got custom now. Now, I don't remember seeing that. So if I'm wrong, let me know. This is dope because you could just custom make how big and how small you want it. That, I've been wanting this for a while and I just realized it's there. But it's only for the S7 through the USB-C. That's it. You know, you can't get it on the HDMI, and the S3s don't offer it so far yet. Because if we go to the S3s, you're not gonna find that there. See what I'm saying? It does nothing. So it's only for the S7s, y'all. What can we do? It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? So I really love the fact that they added that customized focus area for the continuous focus. That's pretty dope. And also the reviews coming soon. They have a S3 with Bluetooth, but they have their new light called the YoloLiv Air, and they both kind of work together with the Compose app, and you can kind of control it and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to talk about that in another video, but that should be coming soon. So if you're looking for that all-in-one that can do your podcast, events, live stream, all kind of stuff. I mean, you do motion graphics, NDI, virtual guests. I mean, it does so much. Record internally, 200 gigs internal hard drive. I mean, what? And more. It just does so much, man, that you just can't deny the power that it brings to a workspace. You know what I mean? And for your workflow. So just look into it if you want. The S3 is amazing. $200, and no webcam can give you this quality that this gives you as far as this mirrorless camera quality. You know what I mean? It's just an amazing camera. Show me a webcam that beats the S7. It's not out there. YoloLiv is King Kong right now. They the best. You feel me? Take it from the OG, man. This is the way to go. So that's it, y'all. That's all I got for you. YoloLiv, appreciate your support, your continuous support, you know, with the channel and all of that stuff, man. So let's keep going. Let's keep moving forward because I'm telling you, y'all, YoloLiv is where it's at, man. If you can, but let me just stop. I keep going too much. I be rambling sometimes. You feel me? I just be rambling. All the links will be in the description below if you want to get anything. You know what I'm saying? Use my link. No extra cost to you. It just helps out the channel a little bit, so I would appreciate it. Leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you like to see, what you like to know about, what kind of tutorials. If you need anything, just let me know. I'm here for you. You feel me? Also, if you're in need of any content coaching or just in need of any services that I offer, make sure to book a call, a video call. Let's connect and see how I can help you out. Subscribe, hit the bell on the side so you get notified on time. And like I always say, it is what it is. I'm out, y'all.